Hey everybody, Micah, outdoor living guy. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey guys, Micah, outdoor living guy. Hey guys, it's Micah, outdoor living guy. Hello everyone, it's Micah, outdoor living guy. Hello everybody, Micah, outdoor living guy. Hey everybody, it's Micah, outdoor living guy. So I want to talk about outdoor living. Nope. So I wanted to show you another little thing here about lighting. By the way, do I have my mic on? Okay, let's start over then. I'm gonna make this go bye-bye right now. And let's see. Oh, there it goes. Nope. Hey guys, here we are. Hey guys, it's Micah. I wanted to give you an update. So I want to take a few minutes and let you see the start of this. I don't want to say a few minutes. That's bad. Bring that interior coolness. 2020 starts right now. Not in the sun, not when the sun comes out. Ooh, I like that. I hope you enjoyed this outdoor living space. I wish my boy would stop touching the tripod. So remember when I showed you that video of the start of this here? I like that. I'm gonna say that again. We can actually do a nice tongue and groove underneath. I hate the word actually. Here's a Blaze barbecue that we actually installed. I hate the word actually, so I'm gonna stop this video. So you're probably watching this because you're interested in outdoor living, and that's what everybody wants. Yes, mother! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. So I hope this video is educational for you. Here we have 3 different covered spaces and blah. So I hope this little part showed you so you can really see through this video. I hope it's giving you the versatility of all of these different structures. What's going on here? Here, I need to get my thoughts together. So I hope you enjoyed this cool little feature. What am I saying? I don't remember what I was going to say. That was pathetic. So I hope you're able to enjoy that, able to enjoy it. That's a tough one to enjoy.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. Now I'm on my feet, I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. Is your love
2020 was a little scary for me at the start. We hit COVID. We had some projects going, so we were able to weather a little storm, but I didn't know what it would happen. In fact, I was very nervous that we would not be able to work at all. It ended up that we had one of the biggest years that we've ever had. And the main reason for that, I think, is we went nationwide with our design department. So we started designing all over the nation, and a lot of people found us through YouTube, so thank you very much for that. We were able to do, I think it was over 50 different designs in the nation. So Texas, we did several. California, we did so many. And then New York, a couple in New York, New Jersey,
Minneapolis.
So Xander, what were some of your favorite projects of 2020?
Well, we had a lot this year, but I think my two favorite were Boaz and the Chow property.
Yep.
I really like this property.
So Boaz was our very first one of the year, and we did an attached structure and a fireplace and a really cool bar. And then what he mentioned was the Chow job, that you know that as that Straight of Dreams modern transformation. So that was a beautiful project. It had the koi pond in the atrium, so that's so cool. I love the Thomas job, and I love the Grubb property. So Thomas was a straight down hill, but underneath the deck we did a Ninja Warrior play set, as you probably saw a lot. But the whole sloped area was so neat, how we were able to get a deck and an outdoor living space. The gabion walls that we used, as well as, so just again, we want to say thank you for all your help and all your support in 2020. Cannot wait for 2021. It'll be interesting to see what 2021 brings, but I hope it brings a lot of success for you, and I hope it brings an outdoor living space for you, and we sure would love to help you with that. And I know Xander's going to keep growing. He's 12 right now, and he's going to keep growing, so it'll be fun for you to see him as he is a year older next season and a year wiser behind the camera. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And please, if you have not already done so, subscribe. We would love for you to subscribe and be a part of our community. All right, guys, have an amazing day. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drive while you're filming, because it's very safe. No, don't.